Hello children, greetings to you all. Hope you all are fine by God's grace. Today we are going to take class 9 standard mathematics. Graph we are going to see. Session 25, exercise 3.10. In 3.10, already we have completed first Roman letter. 4 sums we have completed. Now the second Roman letter we are going to do. In second Roman letter, we have two equations. In second Roman letter, we have two equations. Solve graphically. X plus y is equal to 7 and x minus y is equal to 3. So these are the two equations which is given in the question. So we are supposed to find out y is equal to. We are supposed to change the equation into y is equal to. So I have written y is equal to 7. This plus x alone I am changing to that side and it becomes minus 7. Then the same procedure we have to follow. Same way this equation I have changed. X minus y equal to 3 means this 3 I took this side, so minus 3. Minus y, if it goes that side, it becomes plus y. Therefore y is equal to x minus 3. First we will see this tabular column. 7 minus x. So as usual I have told 5 numbers we used to take. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Then y is equal to 7 minus x. So instead of x I am going to substitute each value. 7, already minus is there, minus. Instead of x, minus 2, so bracket minus 2. 7 minus into minus plus 2. 7 plus 2 becomes 9. Then minus 1. 7 minus in bracket minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1. 7 plus 1 becomes 8. 7 minus no number, what is 0? 7 minus 0 is 7. 1 only. 7 minus, instead of x I have written 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. Then 7 minus 2. Only x, only positive value. So 7 minus 2 is 5. So what we have supposed to plot the points is minus 2 comma 9, minus 1 comma 8, 0 comma 7, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 5. Next this tabular column, x minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 as usual. Here x minus 3. First is x. Instead of x I have written minus 2 minus 3. Both are same symbol means we should add and put the bigger number symbol. 2 plus 3 is 5. So bigger number symbol is minus. Then instead of x I have written minus 1 minus 3. That becomes minus 4. Instead of x 0. 0 minus 3 becomes minus 3. Then instead of x 1. 1 minus 3 minus 2. This is plus and this is minus. Different symbol means subtract and put the bigger number symbol. So minus 2. Then 2 minus 3 minus 1. Plot the points. Minus 2 comma minus 5, minus 1 comma minus 4, 0 comma minus 3, 1 comma minus 2, 2 comma minus 1. Now we will plot it in the graph paper and see what happens. So I have written the x-axis and y-axis. Scale also I have written. X-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So now first thing is here, see, minus 2 comma 9. Minus 2 is here. Sorry. Minus 2 is here and 9 is here. So you can take and write minus 2 comma 9. Next is minus 1 comma 8. Minus 1 comma 8. I have told you how to draw this line in the last session. I hope you all remember. Within a box you should complete the numbers, otherwise you will find it difficulty. Then 0 comma 7. This is 0, 0 comma 7, positive 7. 0 comma 7. You can write here minus 1 comma 8. Then see 1 comma 6 and 2 comma 5. 1 comma 6. 2 comma 5. X-axis is 2, y-axis is 5. 2 comma 5. Then this is for first tabular column. First you join it. First you join this one, all the dots you join it. Then go for the second tabular column. In second tabular column, see, minus 2 comma minus 5. This is minus 2 and this is also negative. So minus 2 comma minus 5. Then minus 1 comma minus 4. Then 0 comma minus 3. 0 comma minus 3. So it will lie here only. 0 comma minus 3. Then 1 comma minus 2. 1 is here, minus 2 is here. Then 2 comma minus 1. 2 comma minus 1. Then join the line. Join these points. Join the dots exactly. The diagonal shape will come in the box. So you can join it properly. So here we need to find a solution. So the connecting point of both the thing is what? We have to see. See, the connecting point is this. This is the connecting point. Here x-axis is 5, x-axis is 5 and y-axis is 2. The solution we need to write for this question. I hope everybody understood. This is the second equation. This is the first equation. First equation is x plus y is equal to 7. Second equation is x minus y is equal to 3. So the connecting point is not 2 comma 5, 5 comma 2. X is 5, y is 2. So you have to take and write here solution is 5 comma 2. This is your answer. I hope everybody understood. X-axis, y-axis must write. Next we'll move on to the second question in the second Roman letter. Second question, second tabular column. The question is 3x plus 2y is equal to 4 and 9x plus 6y minus 12 is the question. Here I cannot take the same values. It's a big number, so we can take 3 values. That is more than enough. So before that we'll see how the equation are splitted. So we need y is equal to, right? So 2y is equal to 4. This 3x I took this side, minus 3x. Then y is equal to 4 minus 3x. This 2 comes down because it is in multiplication. This came down. 4 minus 3x divided by 2. Here also the same number we cannot take because same answer will come. So that I have taken different values. So here how this equation are splitted we'll see. 9x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. So that 6y is equal to minus 12 if it goes that side, 12. 9x if it goes that side, minus 9x. So therefore this 6 came down. So y is equal to 12 minus 9x divided by 6. We'll see how the tabular column formed. So I have took x value as minus 4 and 0 and 2. So then what are, I have written the second step. I have written the equation y is equal to 4 minus 3x divided by 2. 4 minus 3, instead of x only I am going to put minus 4. So minus 4 divided by 2. Same way 4 minus 3 into 0 divided by 2. 4 minus 3 into 2 divided by 2. Then next step, 4 minus into minus plus. 3 4s are 12. 12 divided by 2. 4 plus 12 divided by 2. 3 zeros are 0. So 0 minus 4 is 4 only. So I can write 4 minus 0 divided by 2. Then 4 minus 3 into 2 is 6 divided by 2. What is 4 plus 12? 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Then 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. Then what we are supposed to plot the points? minus 4 comma 8, 0 comma 2, 2 comma minus 1. This is the 3 points we are going to plot for the equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. Next equation. So if I take the same value, I took same 2 here, I am getting the same answer. So I change the value. So we'll see. What is this? X value I took as minus 2 and 0. Again 0 only I have took here. This is 4 I took here. Then we can draw a tableau column first, so that you won't get any confusion. So I have written the same equation again. Y is equal to 12 minus 9x divided by 6. So 12 minus 9, instead of x I have written minus 2 divided by 6. Next step, next for this 0, 12 minus 9 into 0 instead of x divided by 6. 12 minus 9 into 4 divided by 6. Next step, 12 I have written as it is, minus into minus plus, 9 2s are 18 divided by 6. Then 12 minus 9 zeros are 0. So 0 divided by 6. 12 minus 9 4s are 36 divided by 6. Next step, 12 plus 18 is what? 12 plus 18 is 30. 30 divided by 6 is 6 5s are 30. 12 minus 0 is 12. 12 by 6 is 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 36 is minus 24. Minus 24 by 6 is 6 4s are 24. So minus 4. If I plot the point, minus 2 comma 5, 0 comma 2, 4 comma minus 4. So with these 3 points, we'll plot the graph paper. For same thing, have drawn and kept it ready. X-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Same way, this side plus positive value. This side towards your left hand side negative value. Upwards you have positive value. Downwards you have negative value. Down also you have to write y dash. Here x dash. Here in the up you have to write y. Clear? Next we'll directly go with the plotting the points. First set of point is minus 4 comma 8. This is x, this is y. X is minus 4. In x-axis minus 4 is here. Where is 8? 8 is in the upward. So you can write as minus 4 comma 8. Next 0 comma 2. 0 is in the x-axis. 2 is in the y-axis. X comma y. Y2 is 0 comma 2. It lies here. 0 comma 2. Next 2 comma minus 1. X is 2. Y is minus 1. X2 is here. Y minus 1 is down. See? 2 comma minus 1. 2 comma minus 1. Next, we'll go to the second tabular column. Minus 2 comma 5. X minus 2 is here. Positive 5 is in the upward. So see, use the scale and see whether the connecting point. Minus 2 comma 5. Next 0 comma 2. See, 0 is here, 2 is here. Again the same point is coming. That's why I have changed the values from here to here. See, for 0 alone I kept it as it is. Why? Because you will ask, no, for the previous sum we took 0. Why? For this sum we didn't took 0. That's why I take the same 0 here and here to show same answer we are getting. So 0 comma 2 I have plot. Next 4 comma minus 4. Plus 4 is here. Negative 4 is down. 4 comma minus 4. If you cannot join a separate equation because all the points lie in a straight line. Previous sum we got a solution, right? 5 comma 2. But here we will not get a solution. So solution is, we have to take and write solution. It is an infinite solution. Infinite means whichever number we take and we solve this equation, all will come under the same line. It will, if we join together, everything will club and join. So solution is infinite solution. Yes, I hope you all understood. Please fill these two graphs in your graph notebook with tabular column. In tabular column part should be in your right hand side. This side you should do it in this side you should draw in pencil. This side also better do it in pencil itself. Put neat tabular column and finish off. After finishing off, please send it to me a picture of it. Thank you students. We'll see you in the next video session.